In this customer video tutorial, we're going to focus on how we can book a place on multiple classes or a single class within the iOS app on your iPhone or iPad. So we're logged in here under the relevant academy using our username and password, and we want to register a place on a class that's been launched by our academy and it's available now on the booking system. So let's navigate to the book a lesson option, and we need to choose the relevant program category that the class relates to, and this will be clear in the marketing information or the information you receive from your academy, and it should be clear within the title of the program category. So the class I want to book on for is the Adult Academy, and the classes that we want to book for are within the subfilter Improver. So we're going to look at booking some Improver classes. So we're looking firstly here at step 3 at classes that are available within July. So we can navigate through the months by selecting the month and choosing the month from the list. But we can see here that we've got 2 classes available in July. So we want to register a place on both of these classes. So we can see here some information relating to the date of the class. The class is only available or running over 1 day, and we can see there the start date matches the date of the class, and then we can also see the time the class is running. So we've got a class on the 15th at 7 o'clock, and we've got a class on the 29th at 6 o'clock, and a class on the 29th at 6 o'clock as well. So we want to register for both these classes. So to do that, we can click on the radio icon on the right hand side, and immediately then we're taken through to the cart area. So we can see there the price of the class is £30, but we want to reserve our place on the second class as well. So to do that, we click on continue browsing rather than checkout. If you only wanted to register for one class, then you would click checkout at this point. So let's click continue browsing, and we can now go back into the booking system, select the Adult Academy, select the Improver subfilter, and we can now select the second class, which is the 29th. So we can now see that we have both classes added to checkout, and we can carry on adding more classes if we need to. We could scroll through the different months to find different classes. But let's go ahead now and click checkout, and we're now taken through to the checkout page, and we now need to just select the relevant payment type. So at this stage, we may have a couple of different options. We can pay by debit or credit card if this is enabled at your academy, pay at academy, or you may also see the option to apply a group class voucher. But let's go in this example and select the pay by debit or credit card option. We'll then be presented with an option, an alert indicating that we need to click submit before applying our credit card information. And it's also at this stage where you could apply any discount codes or gift card codes that you have. So let's go ahead and click submit. We're then going to be taken through to the next stage, which allows us to input our 16-digit card number, and we can also input the expiry date, CVC code, and also our postal code that the card is registered to. After adding that information, you would go ahead and click save, and it's then at that point that you would then be taken to the purchase confirmation stage. So let's show you what that looks like by using the Pay at Academy option, and we can see that we're then taken through to the order confirmation stage, and it's then at this stage that we would then receive a purchase confirmation email confirming our place on the class. And if we navigate now back to the home page and click on lesson, we can then view our place on this class by navigating through the upcoming lessons page, and we're then going to see those relevant classes appearing in the list view.